What's up, guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in again with another video. This video will begin the series that I'm creating, passive income series. Today I'm going to talk about Zcoin. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys tap that subscription tab and tap that notification bell. That way, that way you'll be the first ones to see my videos when they drop. So Zcoin is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that offers a hybrid mining and staking way to earn passive income. Right now, Zcoin is ranked number 92 on CoinGecko. The 24-hour trading volume is just over $26 million. And the circulating supply is 9,962,318. The total supply is 21,400,000. So this is a low supply token. Let's go to the website. So what does Zcoin offer? Zcoin has a technology called Sigma, where you can mint a coin on a public ledger and transform that coin into a private coin. And with Sigma technology, it allows you to break transactional links and ensure complete privacy. Zcoin also implemented Tor and Dandelion. This process conceals your IP address when broadcasting a transaction on the network. Zcoin also implemented something called MTP, which stands for Merkle Tree Proof. It is Zcoin's unique proof of work algorithm with a focus on ASIC resistance mining. So how do you get started with Zcoin? To get started with Zcoin, you have to have 1,000 coins, which is called a Zeno. So what is a Zeno? Z-nodes are a special type of node that earns part of Zcoin's block reward, which currently is at 30%, in return for hosting a reliable and powerful node that helps support the network. Z-nodes require a refundable collateral of 1,000 Zcoins to ensure Z-node holders have a stake in the coin and are incentivized to keep it working honestly, update it often, and have a high uptime. What do I need to host a node? 1,000 Zcoins, a computer or VPS with a fixed IP address, 1 GB of RAM, enough disk space to store the blockchain. They recommend 55 gigabytes. I also will be including in the link in the description on how to set up a Z-node. The link offers you a tutorial that you can read and also a video you can follow along to set up the node. To do the mining, I also will provide a link for that as well. So how much are the rewards for hosting a Z-node? Currently is a fixed amount, which is 30% of the block reward, which is 7.5 Zcoins per block reward, which is paid out to Z-nodes. So how do they figure out who gets paid what? It's essentially a lottery, where once you get in the top 10% of the queue of the lottery, a randomized mechanism is chosen to pick the next block reward winner. Once you win the block reward, you go to the back of the line. I hope that makes sense. So what else is it to know about it? How do you set up a Zeno? Once again, I will provide a link to the setup guide. And as far as the safety of your coins are as safe as your computer or wherever you're going to download your wallet. Now, to set up the wallet and to verify you have 1,000 coins, you do have to give a Zeno private key, but it's not the actual private key that holds your funds. And for just a mental note, if anybody asks you to send funds, run as fast as you can, because they're probably trying to scam you. Zeno or anybody else would never say send the funds so we can verify the transaction. When you set up the wallet, it's kind of counterintuitive when you first set it up, but you're basically sending 1,000 Zcoins to you or yourself inside your own wallet. But that transaction is Zeno. When you set up the masternode, the Zeno blockchain will be able to verify that transaction and show that you actually have 1,000 coins. So I hope, without showing you the process, I hope that kind of makes sense. You have your wallet, and then you're going to send yourself 1,000 coins. That transaction will be tracked, and that will verify that you have enough coins to set up the Zeno. So long as you back up your own personal Zeno wallet, which is where you're going to hold your Z coins, and you back up your private key and don't give anybody your private key, you're pretty secure. Now, if you're hacked, only thing that's going to happen if your Zeno is hacked, the only thing that will happen is that your Zeno will go offline until you're able to fix the problem. And then you will just basically lose your position in the payment queue. Once your Zeno is back online, you'll be back in line to receive rewards. So encrypt your wallet, back it up, write down everything, back it up again, and get it off your computer, and you should be fine. If you don't have 1,000 Z coins, you cannot set up a Z node. If you can't afford to set up a Z node, I would recommend buying on a dip or partnering with somebody. In investing, you always want to buy low, sell high. What I mean by that is every time the price goes red, it's a good indicator to buy. I personally never buy on green. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is just my opinions, and I'm just putting this information out for informational purposes only. That's my disclaimer. Now back to the video. So let's go to the tokenomics. Tokenomics is the current payout per block is 7.5, which is around $30. How do you get that amount? You multiply the payout by the current price. Currently, there are a total of 6,365 Z nodes. There's 5,710 Z nodes enabled, and there's 5,251 Z nodes that's qualified to earn rewards. So based on this, it seems like over 400 Z nodes aren't receiving rewards. I got that total by subtracting this total from this total. The current price for your initial investment to get the 1,000 Z coins is $4,100. Payout schedule is roughly around 18 days, give or take a few days. That's just a rough estimate, you guys. That's not exactly when you will get it. You might get it before 18 days. It might take a little longer. But this amount is fixed. The payout amount per block is 7.5. So the average monthly income you will receive is 12.7 Z coins, which at the current price is $52.31. So I like privacy coins. I'm gonna put that out there right now. Privacy coins, in my opinion, the demand for privacy coins will in the near future be extremely high because of KYC protocols that's been implemented by government crackdowns. So if you're not familiar with KYC, KYC is know your customer. And basically because of different governments' regulations, they're requiring these cryptocurrencies to basically say you can't invest unless you give us all your personal information. And I probably wouldn't have a problem with it if it was a vetted company by the government. And if anything happened to my personal information, I would have recourse against that company that leaked my information. But the way it is now, you have all these random companies that you have to give your personal information to. And if it gets leaked, or they have a individual that has nefarious purposes, they can steal your information and your identity. So that's a big concern of mine. So I really don't like KYC, and privacy coins like this is what I really do like. Now, in my opinion, governments won't be able to crack down on privacy coins because you hold your own funds in your own wallet. It's not on a third party exchange or anything like that. So basically, you are your own financial institution and your own bank. You control your financial situation. So unless you willingly give up your private keys to your wallet, there's no way governments will be able to crack down on privacy featured tokens, long as there's a community to support the token. Now, as far as the ROI, currently the ROI for investing is around 14% annually for a Zeno. But if you do have a master node and you mine a token, my calculations is that you will earn 24% roughly annually. And that could vary. It could be a little bit higher than 24% annually and a little bit lower than 24% annually. That's not a figure that's set in stone. Is there anything else that I haven't? So to summarize what I've talked about, Zcoin is a hybrid mining and staking coin. It offers privacy features, so you are allowed to exchange value privately while earning passive income through staking and mining. Zcoin has a nice liquidity, as you can see, has 26 million in trade volume, and a lot of that volume, some of that volume is coming from Binance, which is almost $1 million in volume based on the current time and day, and it's on Binance, which is a pretty good exchange. And if you don't have a Binance account, the link will be in the description for that as well. So the GitHub, they're pretty active on the GitHub. So that's the things I look for: activity by the developers on the GitHub, liquidity, and what exchange that liquidity is coming from. Is it a top exchange? So to me, all in all, Zcoin is a pretty good investment as far as passive income tokens goes, because of the liquidity, the developer is still developing, and the way it's set up. So with that being said, I really would appreciate it if you guys smash the like button, because YouTube algorithm likes that. Leave a comment, and also, before I forget, I will be giving a giveaway at the end of this month. I'm going to give away I think I'm gonna give away Bitcoin. So smash the like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and your Bitcoin address. And at the end of this month, I will be picking one lucky winner to win some Bitcoin. So with that being said, peace. I'm out.